Hello guys, welcome back. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix vibration or working on iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have turned off do not disturb mode or the focus mode. Your iPhone vibrate when it is in silent mode, which is enabled by sliding the physical button on the left side. However, so you have after you enable do not disturb mode or focus modes to cut down on call, text and app notification, your iPhone will not vibrate. So then you have open the setting, click on focus, click on do not disturb mode, turn on and off from here. Then second solution, you have switch on all vibration for your iPhone. There is an accessibility setting using that can disable all vibrations on your iPhone, including those sent in emergencies. If your iPhone is not vibrating at all, follow these steps to ensure vibration or is switched on. Open the setting, click on accessibility. So then you have pick the touch. Make sure the switch for vibration is enabled from here. So then you have vibration already turned on my iPhone. Then third solution, you have restart your iPhone. Sometimes the most irritating of problem can be fixed easily by a simple restart. So before moving to the remaining solution, turn off your iPhone and turn it on back on. And if your device will not vibrate due to temporary beeps, restarting it should help. Press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait. Then your mobile is restarted. If there is a problem, will be fixed. Then fourth solution, update your iPhone to the latest version iOS 17. So if your iPhone is running an older version of iOS, so you have goes to settings software update to update it. Doing so can potentially fix several problems caused by bugs your device. Open the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone, so must be installed. Then fifth solution, you have reset our iPhone setting. When you reset the iPhone setting, it does not delete your apps, app data, music, photos, videos, etc. However, all your customized setting are brought back to their default configuration. In many cases, doing this fixes a opening problem. So if your iPhone is not vibrating, so you have opened the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer and reset, then you click on reset our setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all setting, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel if you have problem, so you have in the comments box.